Hey y'all, we at it again with another video, and I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm here now. Y'all just gotta bear with me. Okay, so today's video, this is my closet, y'all. I so-called cleaned it up as good as I could because I wanted to show y'all how I store my vinyl. Now, let me just come up in here. Right here is how I store it. I have these two big tubes that I recently just purchased. Put that on the side. And all this is a Huggies box. That's it. I mean, because I have a whole bunch of these that come in. I get a Huggies box once a month. I had put this little apple right here because I didn't know where else to put it. I didn't need it. I had printed it out. Well, I cut it. And I didn't need it. So I didn't want to throw it away. Let me pull it out. Hold on. I keep this on top. Girl, everything falling now. Just everything. But let me show y'all. Let me sit down. So I keep, like I said, I keep this on top. And this is all my vinyls. My heat transfer vinyls right here. And then I have my what you call it, girl? My mind went blank. My adhesive vinyl. So I have it all in the same box. I have some. Come on, focus, baby, focus. It's not focusing. I need you to focus. What, girl? I don't know how to use this camera. Hold on now. There you go. Ah, there you go. Got my rhinestones right here. And I want to practice with these. I want to play with them. I got them from Heat Transfer Warehouse. And it's a bunch of... Hold on, let me open it. It's a bunch of small little rhinestones. It look like nail art, girl. That's cute. But you put it on the shirt and you could press it with the heat press and it'll stay on there. So I want to play with these and see how they work. And it's just, let me see if I could get it. Let me see. There we go. It's just small little rhinestones. I'm gonna make y'all get off them tablets. That's what I'm about to do. Sorry y'all, that's CJ talking to me. So let me close this bag. Hold on. So right here I have a bunch of my cardstock I use, and you can use cardstock to make like cards, greeting cards, thank you cards, whatever kind of cards, invitations. I have that. And then I have some of these that came like, hold on, let me turn this around. Oh girl, I don't want to show my feet now. I put my toes in there. There we go. And these I have, it came with my Cricut, because when I purchased my Cricut, I got the starter pack and it came with a bunch of stuff. So I have some faux leather, what's this, poster board metallics, some vellum, and I have this extra sheet right here I just stuck right here. And I have some more stuff, printable sticker paper. All this came with my Cricut when I bought it. Oh, I got some more sheets I didn't know about. Okay. Oh, this is the light, and this the printable iron-on dark. The printable iron-on dark have the blue lines, y'all, and for the light colors, it has the red lines. But yeah, I have some more cardstock, and then I just roll them up and stick them in here because it works for me. And like with the adhesive vinyl, like all this is adhesive vinyl. Wait, right here is like what I use for the car decals, and what I put on my wall right there. I used the adhesive vinyl, and then I just have some the transfer tape, the Cricut kind, and I have the kind I bought from what's that website, Expressions Vinyl. And I got this kind. I wanted to try the grid kind because I always get the clear kind. So I wanted to see if this was better than the clear one. It's the gridded one. It'll help me keep it straight. What else I have in here? Like I told y'all, I purchased a lot of stuff in bulk. Just like with this, I got this in bulk because they sell these by the sheets as well, but I got it in bulk. With the adhesive vinyl, I got the roll. I got 2 of them actually. And I mean they sell it by the sheets, but I use a lot of it. So, and especially the heat transfer, I got this 5 yards roll.
Hey.
And somebody lost a tooth today. No, you lost it yesterday.
Yeah, lost it yesterday. There's 3 packs of gummies left for me, you, and Greg.
Okay, so what I was saying about this heat transfer vinyl. All of these scraps, my scraps that I have, I just roll these up and I put it in here. Hold on now, I gotta put this back. Yeah, but like all the scraps and stuff, because I don't like to throw nothing away, because you never know. I like to keep everything. So I put all the scraps up in here. Y'all are being very rude because I'm recording and y'all keep coming up in here. So go back in your room and watch TV. And what else? I have my metallic. Oh, what you call it? Is it metallic? I think it is. I have the silver and the gold wrapped up in here. I have, like, at first I sorted them by colors, but then I was like, that's not working too much for me. And then I have all of my holographic colors, all of these. And then I have my glitter. Baby, when I tell y'all I got a lot of glitter, because that glitter be no joke. Everybody loves glitter, everybody, and I'm crazy for it too myself. All my glitter scraps and everything, I have it right here, just rolled up with the rest of it. Let me see, all my little colors, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I mean, this box, I think I'm gonna need a bigger one. I'm just gonna have to find out what I'm gonna do next. I didn't want to make this video too long because I don't really just too much care for long videos. I just like to get straight to the point, and that's it. I didn't show y'all this. I have some metallic adhesive vinyl as well, and like, you know, you could put these like on mailboxes and everything. I said I was gonna put some on my mailbox. I'm gonna have to show y'all that. My mama said she want one on her mailbox, so she said she was gonna wait till she paint it first, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. And it's all, you know, like I said, my adhesive vinyl. But that's, like I said, that's pretty much it. That's it. I mean, I think I explained it good enough for y'all to understand. At first, let me show y'all what I was doing at first. Hold on, let me put this down. Before I got to this, y'all excuse that stand on the floor. I have 3 kids, whatever. Before I got to that box, I used to use these things, and it's just plastic bag. It's a plastic bag holder. How does it go? There you go. It's just a plastic bag holder, a grocery bag holder. And what I did was I roll the vinyl up and I stick it through the holes. Now you could take these and you could put it on your wall, because I was gonna put them on my wall, but then I was like, nah, I'm not about to put no holes in my wall for no vinyl. I'm just not about to do that. I mean, it's not that serious to me. So I just set them up on my shelf. Then I got to the point where I had too much and this wasn't doing it for me, because I have 2 of these. So then I was like, what else could I do? And I got the box. And I was like, like I said, I always have I always have diaper boxes lying around. I have one every month that come in the house, so I might have to go and get 2 of them, you know, get 2 of them, but I don't know where I'm gonna put, because I don't have nowhere to put 2 boxes of vinyl. I don't know. Then I was thinking of, you know, getting some storage and putting it under my dresser or under my bed or something. That's too much too. But yeah, y'all, I got these. I'm excited about this right here, these 2, because like I told y'all, I love glitter. Oh, let me get this out the way. I love glitter. This is like a confetti kind of color. Let me see if it's gonna focus. Focus. Hold on. There you go. Just like a confetti color. Yeah, this nice. This real nice. I'm ready to do some projects with this. And I got both of these. They're 5 yards. And I got this from Heat Transfer Warehouse as well. But yeah, let me know what y'all want to see next in the comments down below. Like this video, subscribe. And I'm not showing my face because I'm kind of ratchet right now, y'all. I don't need that. It's what time it is. It's 10:40 at night. Yeah, I'm in my sleeping clothes, so y'all not about to see me while I'm ratchet. I'm just not about to do that tonight. So again, like this video, comment, subscribe, tell me what y'all want to see in the comments below next, and I'll go ahead and make that happen for y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.